Hello Internet, welcome to After Effects Intros by Intro AE. Today we will make a very simple logo animation like this. Name the composition as you like. Select a new composition, width, 1920p x height, 1080p x time, 10 seconds. Import your logo from the desired file. Drag it to the composition layer. Scale it down or increase it by pressing S. Adjust the value as per your requirement. Right on the logo layer and hit Pre-Compose. Now select the logo comp layer and switch on 3D. Now go to 4 seconds. Press P. To switch on the position keyframe, click the stopwatch icon. Now go back to 0 seconds and change the value to -2600. Make sure the logo comp goes out of the frame. Decrease the value more to ensure it. Go to the keyframe icon and press the next keyframe arrow. It will take you to the last keyframe at 4 seconds. Press R to get the rotation keyframes. Now adjust the value to around 113 degrees. Now take the keyframe at 0 seconds. Animation will look like this. Now go to the effects and presets and search for Drop Shadow. Now drag the effect over the logo comp. Adjust the distance to add the shadow effect. Increase the softness value to make the shadow more realistic. Now go to 0 seconds and increase the softness more to project a realistic distant shadow. Hit the stopwatch of distance. Adjust the shadow angle as per your requirement. Now adjust the distance so that the shadow remains out of the frame. It projects a realistic distant shadow. Press U to check the keyframes. Now take the first keyframe at 0 seconds. Adjust the distance as you like after the preview. Now press the opacity keyframe, decrease it to make the shadow more realistic at distance. Press the next keyframe of distance, now increase the opacity value to make a realistic near shadow. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Card Wipe Effect. Now make the transition completion to around 0% at 4 seconds. Make sure to press the stopwatch icon. Change the value of rows to 1. Change the value of column to 25. Now go to 0 seconds and change the value of transition completion to 65. Take the drop shadow effect below all the effects. Now check where the effect actually ends and add a keyframe. Delete the last keyframe. Now check where the transition actually starts and add a keyframe. Delete the first keyframe and shift the new keyframe to 0 seconds. Now press P for position keyframe. Take the last keyframe in around 6 or 5 seconds. Now the final effect. Go to Effect and Preset and search for CC Light Sweep. Drag it to the logo comp. Now edit the values: width 50, sweep intensity 64, edge intensity 16, edge thickness 04. Now adjust the values as per your logo's color. Normally a light color of logo gives a good reflection look. Click the stopwatch icon of center and shift the light out of the logo layer. Now go around 5 seconds and change the X value till the light goes full right. Now preview the animation. Perfect. Now we will add a text layer for the slogan. Type your desired text and align it. Now add any text effect from the Effect and Preset panel. I will choose Bullet Train Effect as it is cool. Drag the effect exactly in the place where you want the animation to start. Now go to the animator of text and adjust the range selector. I choose to make 1 second gap. Let's preview the animation. Now make the animation keyframe exactly where the previous animation ends. This makes the animation more dynamic. Cool, now we are almost at the end. This time we are going to add a very simple background. You can download it from freepik.com. I choose a metallic background. Now we will add 2 keyframes in the scale value of background. Add the first keyframe at 6 seconds, making the lowest possible scale, and at 0 seconds add slightly increased scale. So, this is our base animation. Now we will ease the keyframes. Press U to the logo comp to see the keyframes, select all of them and press F9. And now the animation looks more smooth. Now add your audio file and press Ctrl+N to render the file. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you find it useful. It's free.